In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Woocommerce colors in just 5 minutes. Customizing the colors of your Woocommerce store can significantly enhance the aesthetic and feel of your website, making it more appealing to your audience and helping your brand stand out. Let's jump right in to see how you can easily achieve this. First, you'll need to head over to WordPress.com. As you probably know, WordPress is a versatile platform that allows you to build and manage your website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. Click on it to access your WordPress account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first. It's a straightforward process, but for this tutorial, I'm assuming that you already have an account ready to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you have access to all the tools needed to build and manage your website. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, look for the menu option labeled Appearance. Give it a click. This section allows you to customize various design elements of your website. Once you're in the Appearance section, the next step is to locate the Customize button. Clicking on this opens up the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool that offers a range of settings to tweak your site's appearance. The Customizer is user-friendly and lets you see changes in real time, which is particularly useful when experimenting with your site's design. With the Customizer open, find the Global option. Global settings are important because they help ensure a consistent look throughout your website. Consistency not only makes your site more visually appealing, but also enhances user experience. Click on Global to reveal a submenu where you'll find the option to adjust colors. Next, go ahead and click on the Colors option. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a color palette that you can adjust to fit your brand's unique style. You can experiment with different combinations until you find the look that best fits your brand. Remember, your choice of colors can have a big impact on how customers perceive your business, so choose wisely. Congratulations! You've now learned how to customize the colors of your Woocommerce store. By fine-tuning these settings, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing online store that truly represents your brand. With just a few clicks, you've made your Woocommerce site more unique and inviting. Remember, make sure to save all your changes before exiting the Customizer. This ensures that everything looks exactly as you want it when live on your website. Thanks for tuning in to this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more tips on customizing and optimizing your online store. Happy designing!